Well, it is Sunday, January 12th, and after a week where we had a little bit of snow for a couple of days, slowing things down, this week they got the framing around the doors in, the baseboards in, and some cabinets in. So it's really getting where it's getting super exciting, and we are going to go take a look at that right now. Come on in. Into the kitchen we go, and here are the cabinets with the lowers being painted blue to make it look a bit different. This is the drawings that the cabinet builders use. We are now in the primary bathroom with the cabinets installed. This is bathroom number 2 with the cabinets installed. And then the ensuite bathroom number 3 with the cabinets installed. This week they also enclosed the area up at the top of the patio by installing these panels and closing them off.